Hi and welcome to 60 Seconds At, a series of 60-second videos in and around the Lake District. To keep up to date, please subscribe. Rapeseed is loaded with monounsaturated fats, one of the good fats typically found in plant foods such as nuts, avocados and vegetable oils. When eaten in moderation, can help lower your cholesterol levels, reducing your risk of heart disease and stroke. Monounsaturated fats also help develop and maintain your body's cell renewal and comes highly recommended as part of the vegetarian or vegan diet. The reasons for some of the health benefits associated with rapeseed oil include: it contains the lowest saturated fat content of any oil, it is a good source of omega-3, 6 and 9, it contains vitamin E, a powerful antitoxin, it is high in monounsaturated fats, that's the good fats. It is safe to cook at high temperatures with a burning point of 230 degrees centigrade, much higher than olive oil.